Found the perfect item on eBay but want to spread out the cost? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Klarna to pay for your eBay purchases in 4 installments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Using Klarna on eBay is a seamless process because Klarna is a directly integrated payment partner. You can use it without any browser extensions. First, shop on eBay as you normally would. Once you've found an item and are ready to buy, click the Buy It Now button or proceed to checkout from your cart. On the checkout page, you will see all the available payment methods. Look for and select the option that says Klarna. It's often displayed with its logo. You may see the installment amounts already calculated. Clicking on Klarna will redirect you to a secure Klarna page to log in or finalize the payment terms. Once you confirm, Klarna pays eBay in full, and you're charged the first of 4 interest-free payments. A crucial pro tip: not all eBay sellers or categories may be eligible for Klarna, but most are. The option will only appear if the purchase qualifies. Also, you can use the Klarna app to search for eBay directly and make your purchase from there for an even smoother experience. And just like that, you've unlocked flexible financing for your eBay wins. It's a fantastic way to manage your cash flow while bidding on the items you love. Do you prefer using integrated payments like on eBay or the virtual card method for other sites? Share your thoughts below. To discover more stores, watch our next video on which stores accept Klarna payments. Thanks for watching.